Hello, friends, family, and followers of Facebook. I know many of you have not seen any postings from me in a while this past year. Let me tell you why. For the past 16 months, nearly 2 years, I've been fighting a criminal case for a fraud scheme that originated back in 2013. A grand jury indictment was handed down in 2015 with 28 counts, and I've been unaware of any criminal filing or warrant until a traffic stop was made on September 14, 2017, and the officer made me aware of the outstanding warrant. Since then, I've been fighting the case while out on pretrial release. Well, just about a week ago, our lives took a turn for the worse because not only had I just signed a plea agreement accepting 5 to 9.25 years by pleading guilty to one charge and having all other counts dismissed, it was not even a week later they filed a subpoena and issued a warrant for my wife Tanya's arrest. And even though I had been reporting to the courts for nearly 2 years on this matter, they decided to execute the warrant at her job. Turns out the two charges she's facing stems from the 27 remaining counts that were supposed to be dismissed according to the plea agreement. So I created this video in an attempt to raise the funds to post a $26,000 bond that they set for her to be released, and then to also cover the legal expenses that we shall incur in our attempt to get this matter resolved quickly. The Public Defender's Office has not yet assigned her representation, and the courts have set her next hearing date for August 12th. So it has been decided that I use my platform on social media to reach out to all of you to make you aware of what my family is facing so that the attempt to destroy a great family is not successful. We also plan to use news media platforms as well. So I've created the Tanya Bruce Release Fund, where those of you who wish to contribute towards this cause may do so. Your donations can be made at www.releasetanyabruce.webs.com. Any amount given towards this cause would be a great blessing to us because my wife needs to be home with her family. For those of you who may not be familiar with the Bruce family, me and my wife Tanya have been married for 26 years. We've raised 6 kids together and have been able to send 5 of the 6 to 4-year universities. Our youngest son of 17 is on track to also attend a 4-year college upon his graduating high school in 2020. We have developed many friends and colleagues over the years due to our community work around the valley, as well as amongst churches throughout the state. And now that our children have grown up, they too are contributing back to the communities by helping to positively impact the lives of youth and young adults wherever they happen to reside. More specifics on my case may be viewed on the website since it is now public record. So I want to apologize to any of my family, friends, and followers if any of my actions have disappointed you, embarrassed you, or have caused any negative reactions to you. But all that know me personally know that charges brought up from years ago does not change the man that I am today. And regardless of what I may have done, my wife Tanya does not deserve to be put through such a stressful situation. All my creative business efforts that positively impact the lives of many, not only in my Arizona communities, but across the world, will continue because no matter what challenges I face or my family faces, we will always continue to stand and believe that we are a blessed family and that the grace of God continues to embrace us all, no matter what.